Why does eBay suspend the seller account and how to fix it? Hi, this is Sakib from Ecom Clips, and in this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know about eBay suspension, and most importantly, what you should do if your account is suspended. So let's dive in. First thing, based on your activity, eBay can hold your account or restrict your account, or in terms of serious issues, they can suspend your account. Let's talk about all these one by one. So, when does eBay hold an account? This is not that serious, mostly occur if you have any payment issues. Like if your payment card has been expired, then eBay can hold your account. But your account will work again as soon as you fix the issue. However, if you don't follow eBay's rule, or maybe you break some rules, or let's say you get many bad reviews, eBay might restrict your account. That means restriction is slightly bigger issue compared to holding an account. Okay, let me make it easier to you. Suppose you are selling coffee mugs on eBay, but the quality of your mug cannot satisfy your customer. And of course, you will get a bad review for this. Also, some customers might return your products. If the returns rate is unexpectedly higher and your customer feedback and ratings are bad, eBay will restrict your account as you are unable to meet eBay's selling standards. Alright, I think you got this now. Anyway, the worst case scenario is that you can be suspended. You may suspend because you are violating eBay's policies. Suppose that you are selling counterfeit goods. In case you don't know, a counterfeit good is an item that are selling using another person or trademark. However, maybe you are selling illegal products on eBay, like you are selling firearms, ammunitions, or explosives. By the way, you should not do this on any platform. Violating policies can be a very serious restriction on your reputation as well as eBay's reputation, and this platform will not tolerate this. So now you know this type of suspensions. eBay has two terms that can lead to you suspension. Number one is eBay restriction MC011. It usually happens if you have multiple cases from your buyers that you are not taking seriously and they are not treated or properly issued, or if you have a low percentage of tracking number uploaded on time. When you sell something, eBay shares tracking details with buyers. Sharing tracking details quickly is important to keep customers happy. If you don't upload tracking info, eBay might think you can't run your business well or aren't using tracked shipping services, and this could lead to eBay suspensions. Also, poor customer service and slow shipping can cause you eBay suspension. If your customer service are not good, or you have a lack of communication with your customers, not noticing their feedback, avoiding replying their issues. Also, if you have delivery issue, never sending your products on time, or are delaying at a higher rate, can lead you suspension. Now let's talk about the second terms, which is VERO violation. VERO means verified right owners. If someone get a VERO violation, it means they are selling something that they don't have the right to sell. This usually involves items that are protected by trademarks, copyrights, or patents. For example, if you try to sell a fake pair of Nike shoes, you should get a VERO violation because only Nike has the right to sell their shoes. I think you got this now. Alright, in this case, your account can get suspended. So, what are you going to do? Well, now let's talk about that. You will be notified by email. After that, what you need to do to fix it depends on why eBay suspended it. eBay will email you and explain why your account is suspended and what steps to take to fix the problem. It could be something simple like making a payment or updating your listings. The most common reason eBay accounts are temporarily suspended is not paying seller fees. So, if you get your account held by eBay, all you need to do is to just clear the payments. For that, what you actually have to do is go to the payment from my eBay. You will find an option called one time payment. In there, you simply make payment using your PayPal account or another payment method. Yes, that much simple. Once you pay these fees, eBay usually lets you use your account again very quickly. You can bid, buy, sell, and leave feedback just like before. Your account can be restrained within a few days. Another thing, if eBay initially frees your account for verification purpose, you can simply fix it by providing the necessary documents. For that, just reach out to eBay support center. Let me show you how you can reach out to eBay support. Well, you can see I am on the seller hub on eBay. Now at the top here is help. Click on this. You might see help and contact your account. Same thing by the way. Anyway, from below click account. Now if I click on this account restriction and suspension, this page opened. As you can see here, we can find the instructions and solution for your suspension. Alright, as I told you before about one time payment, this is it. Here the instruction about how you can use one time payment method, as well as this is a clickable link. By clicking this, you can simply go to the page where you can add one time payment method to recover your account from holding. Anyway, from here you can actually reach one of the agents from eBay to help you solve your problems. As you can see, all the previous conversion I have had here with them. So here is a tip for you. When you write a message, keep it short and to the point. Clearly state your problem and ask for a solution. Avoid including unnecessary details. A brief and focused message is more effective. They have scheduled for when you can chat with their agent. It is from Monday to Sunday, 5 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Now, if you don't want to go through the hassle of typing a message out, waiting for a reply, then they ask you a question, you reply, and conversation just drags on and on. Instead, you can ask them to call you or call them yourself during the time they are available. The good thing about this is that you can talk to them in real time, explain your issue clearly, and get the problem addressed right away. You can also ask follow up questions and get immediate feedback, which makes it easier to resolve your problem quickly. One thing to keep in mind that sometimes the agent might refer your issue to another department. If that happens, try to convince him to solve it, keeping him in line because moving from one department to another one can be time consuming. To avoid this, you can request that they prioritize your case and explain your solutions clearly. Be patient and ensure they understand the urgency of your problem and get a faster solution. Well, I think you got now. Anyway, my suggestion to you is have a better understanding of how marketplaces work. What are the rules and regulations? What causes not just for eBay, but whenever you work on any marketplace. However, if you think you need an expert to manage your account, we can surely help you with that. Till now, we manage thousands of accounts, so we know what is right to do and how to manage it effectively without any issues. However, let's move to the next section. In this case of MC011 suspension, you need to provide more in-depth documents such as your ID verification card and proof of your residential address. eBay will send you an email, and in that email they will clearly mention what documents should you submit. I think you got an overall idea. It is better to prevent your account from getting any kind of suspensions. That is the best thing. Remember, prevention is better than cure. To prevent this, follow the policy of eBay. Do not sell counterfeit products. Try to maintain top notch customer support and never delay your shipping. Well, that's all for today. I hope this video helps you understand the eBay suspension. We have tons of informative videos on our channel. Go check them out. And to let you know, we are a full service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience, and we have more than 300 e-commerce experts. We can help you with any issue you have with any part of e-commerce. If you need any assistance, just mail us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you up in the next one. Peace.